What do you enjoy about hiking?
No, I just like that it's a contrast of being in the city, the concrete jungle of sorts, being able to breathe in real fresh air and just be lost in your thoughts.
You hear that? That's what I love about hiking. What do you enjoy about hiking, Jenny?
To go to Lululemon afterwards.
It's near Woodbury. Beauty surrounds me, often unnoticed from far, closely neglected. I wish to see you in your most natural form. I promise my life. Your leaves will soon turn, and I will try to catch it. Excitement with time. May the sun kiss you from head to toe, so willful. Golden is your crown. Help us navigate, find the path to redemption, for lost is our way. Amongst my own here, I hold no absolute doubt. In our steps we grow. Feast in your presence, forever we roam to find a smile like your grace. Feast in your presence, forever we roam to find a smile like your grace.
Here with Tim, we're recording live from the Pontycoo Ascent Path. Tim, what do you think so far?
Hey man, today we're gonna go on
Great, we're gonna go up all the way over there, and we're gonna have a great time. What do you think about that?
Hey guys, can I go with you today?
All right, see ya.
we have
Hello guys, and we have made it safely to the end of our hike after conquering Pontycoo Crag and Table Rock. I believe that's what it's called. And now we are blessed with the $1 million view. Not this right here, but that right there. What a beaut.